Welcome to People, Power, and Politics. Hard talk, riveting interviews, community updates, in-depth analysis. That's People, Power, and Politics. We tell it to you as it is. No holds barred. You are the people, you have the power. We bring you the politics. To listen to our show, be a guest, or to advertise, visit www.pppradio.nyc. That's www.pppradio.nyc.
A very warm welcome to everyone. We are joined by a very special guest, Jennifer Clarke-Craig, who is the healthcare advocate for Healthcare Educational Project. Welcome. Good to have you here with us.
Thank you. Good morning to everyone. It's a pleasure being here.
So, can you please provide a brief introduction to the Healthcare Education Project and its mission?
The Healthcare Education Project is an advocacy group. We're affiliated with 1199 Labor Union and Greater New York Hospital Association. Our mission is to protect, expand access to quality, affordable health care for all Americans through education, advocacy, and coalition building.
So, what specific services does the organization offer to Healthcare Education Project members or the public at large? And how does these services contribute to the overall well-being and satisfaction?
So the Healthcare Education Project works closely with community-based organization, faith-based organization, and any community organization that is willing to work with us, and we bring a partnership. We contribute to the overall well-being of our community members by education on preventative care. So each month we have a different topic that we deal with, and we give out information on how to prevent, how to take care of yourself. Some of those issues and topics are like diabetes, breast cancer, mental health, and those are some of the things we do. We are also mental health first aid trainers, so we are also now able to give training to other community group and members who would like to get the basic mental health first aid training.
So, your organization appears to be at the forefront of healthcare innovation. Can you share examples of how Healthcare Education Project embraces innovation to enhance the healthcare experience?
So, as I said before, we do this in tailoring our information on different healthcare-related issues. For example, a few years ago, we had the breast cancer campaign, where we also was instrumental in getting the governor, also Governor Comer, to be a part of it, where breast cancer is now available to all New Yorkers, women over 40, even if you have no health insurance. If you're undocumented, you can get your mammogram done without worrying about health insurance. We also encourage members and do campaign on diabetes, where we encourage members to know their A1C number and also to know some of the signs and symptoms if you're coming down or if you're borderline diabetic, and also to remember and give information on some of the preventative care that you need, like exercise, changing your diet, and just being on top of your numbers.
So, I know that you mentioned breast cancer awareness. On October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and you are hosting an event, Power of Pink and Prayer, with other organizations. What is the reasoning behind the name of this event?
Power of Pink and Pearl. The name is that we are connecting spiritual involvement into our human aspect. So, power, prayer. When you pray, if you're religious or have any belief in another God somewhere, you get that spiritual uplifting. And pink was just the color that we use for breast cancer awareness. So we just said power of pink in prayer and associated with breast cancer.
So, can you share some information about the event, what attendees can expect, the overall goal?
Attendees can expect to be informed. Information will be given from the Cancer Society and other organizations that deals with cancer, especially breast cancer. Attendees will be encouraged, empowered to do more for themselves, screening, speaking to their healthcare provider about their health, and attendees who have been through the journey of breast cancer will be encouraged and will be uplifted, and those who are going through the journey will get comfort because you'll have testimonials from those who have gone through the journey. You'll get testimonials from those who have cared for or is caring for someone going through the journey, and you will get testimonials from family members who have seen their loved ones gone through the journey. So it will be a very uplifting and spirit-filled evening where you'll get songs, comforting songs, a small word of encouragement from a minister, but the overall experience will be so uplifting and so rewarding. You'll leave there more energized and being empowered.
So, Ms. Craig, statistics show that breast cancer has disproportionately affected women of color, Black women. How is this event planning to address this issue? Is there a focus on that?
Yes, we always, and this is why we also have these organizations that deal with breast cancer to give more information to women, to give them encouragement. We know a lot of women are scared of mammograms because some women complain it hurts. But then these organizations like the Cancer Society, NYU Langone, and others can also give information and other ways to make sure you are doing your screening, your preventative care. I have a saying to say, it's better to take the pain on the front end than suffer at the back end. For a little squeeze to get your mammogram done, to just know where you are, to me, it's a small sacrifice in waiting until you have another outcome where you have breast cancer. So, and we know for African American women, although we might be at the same percentage with Caucasian women in coming down with breast cancer, we find that we are dying faster rate. And this is because sometime of our healthcare services or insurance or providers, and some of us is just fear, and we do not follow up with what our healthcare providers have asked us to do.
Okay, so how can one participate in this event?
The event is free. It's open to the public. The event is going to be on Wednesday, October 18th, 2023 at 7:30 p.m. at Maranatha Seventh-day Adventist Church, which is located at 899 Winthrop Street, which is between 51st and 52nd Street. It's also a hybrid event, so it's also virtually. And there's a Zoom link, and I can give the code, the ID, the code, and all the information. So the ID is 812-3758-3696. And the password is 385290. Or you can reach me at Jennifer Clarke-Craig, 917 593 0032 if you need more information to attend this event.
Can you please repeat the meeting ID and passcode?
So the Zoom ID is 812 3758 3696. The passcode is 385290.
And finally, what is your message of inspiration to all women, including survivors and persons who are currently facing breast cancer?
For all my sisters out there who are going through the journey now, keep your chin up. Follow your health team on your care. Maybe you can change your lifestyle, example, your diets. Eat more fruits, more vegetable, and exercise. For the survivors, keep a positive outlook and keep doing what you're doing to be where you are. And for those of us who have not been stricken by this deadly disease, let's just keep our hopes and do the things we need to do health-wise, making sure we have a healthy lifestyle, trying to go back to the earth, eating the best we can, exercising, and just be cheerful. Take care of ourselves. Love ourselves. Find some time to just be with yourself. Hear your own heartbeat. Just take time. I know as women, we're so busy. We have children, husband, grandchildren, sometimes our parents. Everybody calls to us for help. But we have to carve out some quality time just to be with ourselves and to just take that personal care. So let's circle each other and circle ourselves with warmth and cheerfulness.
Thank you so much, Ms. Jennifer Clarke-Craig, healthcare advocate for Healthcare Education Project.
Thank you for having me.
Our pleasure.
People, Power, and Politics. Hard talk, riveting interviews, community updates, in-depth analysis. That's People, Power, and Politics. We tell it to you as it is. No holds barred. You are the people, you have the power. We bring you the politics. To listen to our show, be a guest, or to advertise, visit www.pppradio.nyc. That's www.pppradio.nyc.